Hello and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you an unboxing of the Monvict glue gun. It's a full-size hot glue gun, and the seller of this glue gun contacted me and asked if I would purchase it on Amazon and he would reimburse me for it. So that is what I did. And this is how it came. It came in a bag, but packaged like this. And then I've taken it out of the bag from the inside. So it is power is 8 by 120 watt. And voltage is 100-240 volt. Glue sticks. So it comes with some glue sticks. So this is what it looks like in here. It came with these rubber little fingertip things, so you don't burn your fingers. There is 3 of them in here. So there's that one, and you just can slip them on. They're a good size. They're not as thick as like the Dollar Tree ones. I like that. So yeah, this is pretty good. I like that. And you can stack them together, which is good. Like that. So that's pretty cool. I like those already. And this is a full-size glue gun. It has a stand on its own. So I'll put this aside here and this. And so it has a stand here that I love. It stands on its own. It has an on and off switch, I think, for heat, like this will be the, what is it? The 100 probably, and then this will be the 240. I think that's how it works. And then this is the plug here. So you get the plug and you can plug that in. And then, yeah, it's a long cord. It's a pretty long cord. And I love that it stands on its own. And it's not like, you know, you bump it a little bit, like, yeah, it'll fall over if you tip it, but, you know, it's pretty good. And I will do a review on this. I will get it going. And you can take this off to clean it, I guess. I don't see why you'd need to, but it does come off like that. And I love the color. I love blue, gray. It looks beautiful. And this is something amazing to have, you know, on your desk. And it's got a light here when it's plugged in. You can tell when it's on. And what else should I tell you? It comes with a bunch of glue. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 glue sticks. That's a lot of glue sticks for free. And yeah, this is the glue gun, the Monvict glue gun. Monvict. I hope I'm not butchering that name, but that is the name of it. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Can't put it down. So I'll be back and I will show you how this thing works. Thanks for watching for now. Talk to you later. Bye.